Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your OPPO Reno 3, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store and download application to transfer data. I recommend you to get application named Clone. It's really easy to use and totally free. So let's open it on the Android phone and also on our OPPO Reno 3. Click allow a few times. Tap on the yes, I agree. Click sender on your Android phone. Tap on the set, turn on location. Now just go back and click sender again. Tap on the receiver on your OPPO. Click allow, set, turn on location, go back and click on the receiver again. Click on the search again, and right now our smartphone is looking for each other, so we have to wait a little bit. Click on the Android Share 4316 icon, and as you can see, we can connect in the two ways. So we can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. The password you can find right here. I'm gonna scan the QR code. So tap on the tap to scan, click on the allow, and just lift your phone and put it in the frame of the QR code. Scan it. Now our smartphones are connecting. Accept the request on the Android smartphone, and if you want to take everything, just click on all of these icons, select them, and click on the start. But in my case, it is only example, so I'm going below for the details, and I will skip for the music. I'm gonna unselect them because I want to take the free songs, so I'm gonna take this one, and the last one will be the Post Malone Better Now. Click on the start, OK. And it's importing, and it will be finished in a few moments, and there it is. So right now, when we can enter the files of our OPPO, we'll find there the audio that we sent from the Android smartphone to our OPPO Reno 3. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.